Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download songs on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. Downloading songs on your iPhone is simple. First, open the Safari browser on your device. In the search bar, type NCS Songs and tap Search. From the results, select the first website. Once opened, you will see a list of available songs. At the top, tap Search Genres and choose your preferred option. The songs will appear according to your selected genre. Now, swipe left on the song you want and tap Download. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Tap Download again to continue. The file will start downloading. If you want more songs, repeat the same process for each track. To verify your downloads, open the Files app on your iPhone. Go to the Recents tab and you will see all the songs you downloaded. From here, you can play them directly or move them into folders for better organization. So that's basically how you can download songs on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.